Now let us consider the acidic salt. First of all, we will discuss about acidic salt. What are acidic salt? The name of this salt indicate that when acidic salt dissolve in water, they will produce H positive ion in the solution and making the solution acidic. Acidic salt are the salt that are produced from strong acid and weak base. I consider the general reaction. This Mx indicate the salt. M indicate the positive part of the salt and X indicate the negative part of salt. When it react with water, this is the acidic salt. This acidic salt when react with water, only the positive end react with OH and produce MOH, and the H positive ion of the water is released and making the solution acidic. But why the X negative? It means why the negative part of the salt do not react with water. Now comes toward the reason of that question. You know that acidic salt is the salt which is made from strong acid and weak base. Let us consider the reaction. This is a strong acid, this is the weak base. It will result in the formation of NH4Cl, and this salt is made from strong acid and weak base. So this salt is acidic salt because when it reacts with water, it produces NH4 positive ion and Cl negative ion. As you know, this Cl negative ion, the negative part of the salt come from acid and the acid is strong. So this negative ion is weak conjugate base and this positive ion come from the base, and you know that our base is weak base. So this NH4 positive is strong conjugate acid. ठीक है, हमारे पास जो एसिड है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग है, इसलिए एसिड से जो नेगेटिव पार्ट आया है, एसिड से जो नेगेटिव आयन आया है वो वीक कंजुगेट बेस है, और जो पॉजिटिव पार्ट है, जो पॉजिटिव आयन है, इट कम फ्रॉम अ वीक बेस, सो इट इज स्ट्रॉन्ग कंजुगेट एसिड. आपने ये कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ा था कि वीक बेस से हमारे पास जो कंजुगेट एसिड आता है वो स्ट्रॉन्ग आता है और स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड से जो कंजुगेट बेस आती है वो वीक आती है. अब वीक कंजुगेट बेस में इतनी एबिलिटी नहीं है कि वो वाटर से H आयन को गेन कर सके, ठीक है, और इसलिए ये जो वीक कंजुगेट बेस है, इट कैन नॉट रिएक्ट विद वाटर, बट द स्ट्रॉन्ग कंजुगेट एसिड हैज एबिलिटी टू रिएक्ट विद वाटर. So this strong conjugate acid when react with water, it will gain the OH ion from the water because this is the acid, and it will gain the OH ion from the water and result in the breakdown of HOH bond, and H positive ion are released during this reaction and making the solution acidic. That is why these salts are called acidic salt. Acidic, this salt, it means NH4Cl salt is the acidic salt because its positive ion react with the water and its negative ion do not react with the water because its negative parts come from strong acid. So it is a weak conjugate base. That is why it do not give any reaction. While the positive part come from weak base, so it will give the reaction with water and resulting solution will be acidic.